Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the card supports dynamic updates. Contact the issuer or check the wallet card details. Once confirmed, open Wallet and tap the card to view its settings. You'll need the latest iOS. Make sure updates are installed before proceeding. Next, prepare verification, SMS, email, or app-based token so you can approve changes quickly. Now tap the three dots or edit, then choose Update Card to begin the card update flow. This unlocks the next steps. You'll be guided through issuer prompts to replace or refresh card data. Follow them step by step. When asked, authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. If a code is sent, enter it promptly to avoid session timeouts. Make sure you review any updated terms and allow necessary permissions for notifications or background refresh. Once you hit Save or Done, Wallet will process the update and temporarily lock transactions until verification completes. Once the update finishes, verify the card image, expiration, and last 4 digits in Wallet. You can test with a small contactless purchase or an in-app transaction to ensure it's active. If the card doesn't show updates, quit and reopen Wallet or restart your iPhone. Make sure cellular or Wi-Fi is active. If problems persist, contact the card issuer with your device model, iOS version, and any error messages so they can push a server-side refresh or reissue the card.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.